The Iranian authorities' crackdown on protests following the death of a girl has left at least 76 people dead, the Norway-based Iran human rights NGO said. Iran has arrested more than 1,200 protesters, officials said, in its lethal crackdown on 10 nights of unrest driven by outrage over the death of Mahsa Amini in morality police custody. Tensions grew between the Islamic Republic and Western nations as Germany summoned the Iranian ambassador, a day after the European Union protested the widespread and disproportionate use of force and Tehran called in the British and Norwegian envoys. Protests flared again across Iran overnight as a Tehran crowd shouted against the ruler. Several security officers have been killed in the unrest, according to Iranian media. But a powerful cleric long aligned with the country's ultra-conservative establishment urged authorities to take a softer line. The leaders must listen to the demands of the people, resolve their problems and show sensitivity to their rights, said Grand Ayatollah Hossein Ori.